In this video, you will be able to see how we are replacing the clutch plates for these bikes. These bikes are very common Honda small bikes, CD70s. Uh, Here the clutch problem is there inside. The gear is not shifting properly, and also there is little power. Just I will replace the clutch plate, and I will show you little things I removed from the gas pipe and the foot pad. Those days I just removed, and also I will open a few cables from here, and this cable also we will dismantle. So then we will be able to dismantle this cover for the clutch plate. By this way, this clutch plate will come off very easily. Now if we will I will open this items, so we will be able to go inside, and here are some items. I mean the clutch plate and the pressure plate. I will just show you. These are the clutch plates. These are two clutch plates inside this motorcycle. So these are the two clutch plates. You can see these are new, and also here are the pressure plates. These are metal pressure plates. You can see these are also two. So these four items total we will replace inside, and then I will show you how we are going to do it. Now all bolts had been opened, and a little bit taps I provided, and this way it come off. This cover will come off. As you can see, a little bit I am pressing on the brake pedal, and then it will come off. The cover had been come off. Now I will need a screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver or a special screwdriver to open these Phillips screws, and here is the bearing inside this clutch. So we will remove this bearing part, and you can see the oil is also dripping from, so this is common, and these parts we will keep in this cover, so then later on we will be able to fix these parts back. Here is the bearing. We will have to check this bearing also. If the bearing is bad, we will replace, and by opening these screws, this plate will come off, and underneath there will be a nut. So we will open that. That's a special nut we will open using screwdriver. Then here is the old gasket. All this gasket we will scrap with the help of a scraper or with the help of a small blade, but we will take care of the sides, so we will not break down anything. After removing this old gasket, we will fix a new gasket, and it will be fixed. You can see here these screws I removed, and this part had been come off very easily. There is a gasket. We will reuse that. There is no need to replace. And here is some dirt inside. That's the clutch plate dirt. That's common. So we will clean all the dirt and debris from this part. So now with the help of a screwdriver, this crank washer is there. So this crank washer, we will straighten these tabs for the crank washer. This is important before removing this nut, otherwise you will not be able to open this nut. So after straightening these tabs, we will be able to open this nut. This nut have a special spender also available, but we don't have, because if you are going to do once in a year or 5 years such bikes, so you will not have all the items, all the tools. Instead, what we will be doing is we will use a screwdriver and a hammer, so that we will be able to remove this nut. Now you can see this nut we had removed, and by this way this clutch, the whole clutch pack will come off. There is a snap ring over here. This snap ring, this is spring type snap ring. So this snap ring is needed to be removed from. So this way, using a screwdriver, we will bring it off. This snap ring very easily it can come off. This is not a difficult job. With the help of a screwdriver, we will snap it or remove it from this pack from all the sides, and it will come off. And this is on the springs. As you can see inside there are springs, so this way this whole item will come off. So these small springs are there and big springs are there. All the items we will move sides and then clean all the things, and then later on we will fix everything. So here you can see these are the pressure plates. Here first is the pressure plate, this pressure plate, and then there is a clutch plate, again is the pressure plate, and then there is a clutch plate. So this is the arrangement, this is the whole arrangement. These things are placed inside in this clutch pack. So what we will do is we will fix the new set inside, and then we will repack it in the same way, and all the parts we will put them together, and then this thing will be done. So new plates, you can see these are good pressure plates, and the old plates are worn out, so this bike will become good